Hey everyone, today we are going to walk through the install process for our TEQ Customs mirror light kit that uses the KC Cyclone mirror lights. So first step here is going to be to take the glass off of the mirror, and that is done by pulling from the bottom upwards, and the glass will come off super easy. After we have the glass removed, we have 3 screws to take off to take the shroud off of the mirror, and then we have 1 clip in the bottom corner. So take those 3 screws off, undo that clip, and the mirror shroud will come off like so. And then we have 3 more screws to remove so we can pull the cover of the mirror back from the actual mirror mounting surface. Excuse the poor focus here, but once you take those 3 screws off, the back part of the mirror will separate from the rest of the mirror, and you will be able to pull the mirror light right out. Now that we have everything taken apart, we're going to go ahead and assemble the KC light with our brackets. So you want to take the faceplate and put the wiring through the large hole at the bottom, and the KC light will press fit into place on the top portion of the bracket. We're going to bolt it together in just a minute, but we're going to assemble this first. And once it is put in, the wiring should be through the bottom, and the rest of the bracket should look like so. Now we're going to take the little rubber cap off of the KC light so we can bolt the hardware through the center of the KC. We're going to take the larger portion of the bracket and run the wires through the larger hole at the bottom. And then there is a little tab on the bracket that will match up with a little hole on the back of the bracket faceplate. Just twist until you can feel it pop into place, and then you are good to go. You've got the light put together. We pre-install a nut inside, and the bolt just goes through the center, and you tighten it down. Now we're going to put the whole unit back into the mirror. It's going to use the factory mounting points and look just like this when you have everything in there. We're going to tighten the 3 screws we took off earlier back down as well. And now for the wiring. This part's important. We're going to first turn on the parking lights, which is the first notch on the headlight stalk with the little line. Then we're going to go over to the mirror. The little bulb socket that is attached to the KC light, we are going to plug that in to where the factory bulb went, just like this. So if you plug in the light and it does not work, we're going to unplug it. We're going to turn the little blue or white bulb tap 180 degrees around, just like we did in the video, and then we're going to plug it back into the socket, and the light will then turn on. The polarity was backwards the first time. What we just did, flipped it, and now it's good to go. Now all that's left is reassembling the mirror. We're going to put the plastic shroud back on, do the reverse of what we did when we took it off, put the 3 screws back, and then the clip, and then we're going to take the glass and put that back on. There's 2 tabs at the top that have to slide in and up. So slide those in, and then you can press the mirror glass in to clip it back to the rest of the mirror. And that is going to conclude the install process. Both sides are the exact same, so if you did the driver or passenger mirror, this video will be applicable to the other side of the vehicle as well. So if you need to run through and watch it again for the other side, you can go ahead and do so. Thank you for supporting TEQ Customs and our new products. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can reach us with the contact information on your screen right now. And don't forget to share the final product with us on social media, which you can find our social information on the screen right now as well. Thank you so much.